video. And yes, right now I'm in Fantasy Hotel in DisneySea. And yeah, I'm going to give you a room tour as well as a tour of the entire hotel itself.
Springs Hotel. First, the bathroom. Toiletries. There's the Fantasy Spring logo on it. Now let's check out the shower room. Where's the switch? Ah, there we go. Bathtub, shower head, and look at the towel. It has the logo printed on it too. Okay, and then that is the other part of the toilet. Oh, there's nothing here. Okay, let's continue to the toilet. There is a mini Rapunzel here. And let's open it. And there are some more bedroom slippers. Okay, next. Mirror with some petals on it. And we have the Rapunzel painting. Ooh. And over here you can see mascara. So cute. And then the bed, the lamps. Oh yes, and the postcard has the unique design too. Over here, we have the TV, and then let's look at the pajamas. It's brown color. Okay, and now let's see. This is our view. So if you see here, you can see the Beauty and the Beast waterfall, but it's not very clear at night. And that's the park over there. And if you see here, you can see Bambi and Rabbit and the squirrel maybe. Many hidden details. And this is our room.